Hi viewers at home, welcome to Gemstone, where Africa is brought to Hollywood. And as you know, we are searching for talent across the board. So if you're at home thinking that you can be a presenter, a modeler, a dancer, or an actor, this is the exact place to be, because the camera is rolling, the stage is set, microphones are on, and lights are on. So please come here, and let me remind you of something. If you think somebody have that potential to go to New York, just go to www.demvote.com and vote for that person. Remember, one view is a vote. So from me, your host Kabino, is peace.